Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we have covered the complete interview process of Stadium, from aptitude and technical concepts to product level DSA, coding questions, and HR plus managerial rounds. Stadium is a global corporate gifting and employee engagement platform working across 170 plus countries, and because it operates at scale, the interview focuses heavily on problem solving ability, system thinking, and real world logic. We discussed aptitude patterns and elimination strategy, coding around with brute force versus optimized solutions, super hard DSA problems asked at product company level, real HR psychological traps, managerial around expectation and leadership mindset. I also explained why 80% students get rejected, especially in the coding and HR rounds, and how to avoid those common mistakes. If you are targeting product companies or global SaaS platforms, this preparation strategy will give you a strong advantage. Watch till the end, revise properly, and practice optimized logic because in product companies, average answer do not work. I have covered all the questions specialty wise, 15 MCQs with 5 snippets and coding questions, HR managerial rounds, and others. So let's begin with the specialty one. If you want aptitude round question, here is the number. You can message me on the WhatsApp number. Take PDF. There are 6 PDF. That's why I have not included in this video. So first specialty is corporate gifting. Corporate gifting mainly helps in build business relationships. A global gifting platform must prioritize local fulfillment. Swag refers to company branded merchandise. The biggest challenge in global gifting is logistics plus customs. Corporate gifting ROI is measured using engagement and retention metrics. Automated gifting systems require event-based workflow, which tech is essential for global gifting. Multi-currency payment gateway. Data security in gifting platforms is important for customer. Second, protection. Scalability is important because orders may spike during events. Best database for storing orders, transactions, relational DB, SQL. Event gifting means sending gifts during corporate events. API integration is required for shipping partners. Global tax compliance requires dynamic tax engine. Bulk gifting optimization mainly reduces shipping cost. Analytics dashboards shows gift performance metrics and the coding snippets. You can take PDF to cover these questions. I have not covered in this video. So why students fail? Only talk about gift sending. Ignore logistic plus tech integration. No understanding of scalability. Don't mention automation workflow. Interview mindset. The test: can you build scalable global system? Do you understand API integration? And can you handle multi-currency country logic? The shortcut in logic is event trigger, payment, vendor API, delivery analytics, break system in pipelines. Okay, so retention weapon is corporate gifting is automation plus logistics plus localization plus analytics. Second one is employee benefits. Employee benefits improve employee retention. Benefit platform must integrate with HRMS. Flexible benefits how customization employee choices. Real-time benefits tracking needs dashboards. Benefit taxation varies by country laws. Data privacy regulation example GDPR. Benefits eligibility logic depends on employee grade and tenure. Self-service portal reduces HR workload. Health benefits require insurance API integration. Employee perks are additional advantages. Platform scalability matters because large employee base. SaaS model means software subscription model. Authentication security requires strong password plus MFA. Benefit redemption tracking helps. Analytics recognition plus benefits together improve engagement and the coding snippets. Next one is you can see the mindset or shortcut retention weapon. Okay. Next is employee recognition. Employee recognition primarily improves employee engagement. Peer-to-peer recognition means employees appreciating colleagues' A recognition platform must support real-time notation. Recognition the program reduces iteration. Digital badges are used for achievement display. Point-based recognition requires wallet system. Recognition analytics tracks participation rate. Recognition triggers can be performance milestone. Integration needed with HRMS. Leaderboard improves competition and motivation. Recognition must be transparent. Reward catalog requires dynamic database. Micro recognition is small frequent appreciation. Recognition platform is usually SaaS. Best KPI for recognition success, engagement score, and the coding snippets. Next is global gifting. Global gifting requires local vendors in multiple countries. Major challenge in global shipping, customs regulations. Multi-currency support requires currency conversion API. Tax compliance differs by country laws. Localization means adapt to local culture and vendors. Payment gateway integration is needed for online transaction. Delivery tracking uses API integration. Scalability ensures handle bulk orders. Data privacy must follows local regulations. Vendor management system stores vendor contacts and rates. Cross-border payment require currency engine. SLA monitoring ensures bigger gift. Bulk event gifting requires automated workflow. Real-time tracking improves transparency. Platform architecture must be cloud scalable and the coding snippets. Next one is event gifting. Event gift is triggered by specific event workflow. Onboarding kits are used for new employee welcome. Bulk event gifting requires automated batch processing. RSVP tracking helps estimate gift quantity. Gifting scalability matters because events are unpredictable. Real-time address collection requires dynamic secure form link. Automation engine must handle event date triggers. Inventory sync ensures stock availability. Personalization improves engagement impact. Geo-based routing helps faster local delivery. Event dashboard tracks participation and delivery. Cancellation workflow prevents wastage. Data privacy in event gifting is needed for address protection. Batch scheduling is used for sending all gifts same day. Cloud-based infra ensures auto-scaling during big events and the coding snippets. Okay, next one is recognition platform, tier system and hard coding style. Recognition platform architecture should be cloud-native microservices. Points wallet system needs automatic transactions. Leaderboard requires sorting algorithm. Fraud prevention requires rate limiting. Recognition events should be async processed. Notification system should use queue. Data consistency in wallet needs ACID properties. Multi-tenant SaaS means multiple companies are isolated data. Analytics engine uses aggregation theories. Recognition API should follow REST principles. High concurrency requires load balancing. Audit logs ensure transparency. Event streaming tools, example Kafka. Caching improves response time. Role-based access control ensures secure permission and the coding snippets. Next one is coding around problems. Okay. Corporate gifting. Problem bulk disk optimization. You can take PDF to cover these questions. I will show you how these are. Okay, average student answer is handles basic case but negative input. Interview ready answers. Interview interruption. What if quantity is 10x7? Answer is still 1. Only other arithmetic operation. Time complexity. Edge cases. Employee benefits. Problem benefit eligibility engine. Employee eligible if tenure is greater than 2 years. Performance rating is greater than 3. Brute force. Loop every time for each 0 of n per check. No. Average. Simple function. No validation. Interview. How will you scale for 1 million employees? Answer is there. Complexity, edge cases. Employee recognition. Problem, top K leaderboard. Given employee scores, written top K, good for sort entire list. Time, 0 of log and login. Average still sorting approach. Interview ready heap. Interviewer, what if data stream is continuous? Answer, use minimum heap of size K. Complexity, edge case. Global gifting. Problem, multi-currency conversion engine. Given order in different currencies, convert to USD. Brute force, hard code rates, no spell, average, use dictionaries. Interview ready, interviewer, what if rate changes daily? Answer, store rates in cache, redis, refresh via schedule job. Okay, event gifting, problem processing of orders. Brute force, average, interview ready, interviewer, how to make it fail? Answer, use multiprocessing, case plus, queue-based architecture, complexity, edge cases. Recognition platform, problem, atomic wallet date, erase condition, multiple thread updating points, common wrong, average, interview ready, interview, how to handle in distributed system? Answer, use DB transaction, optimistic, locking, redis, atomic, AINCR, complexity, edge cases, and the final interview selection. Product company level super hard DSA rounds. Okay, number 1 is real-time recognition feed ranking. Okay, hard problems are there. You can take PDF to cover this question. What's number given in the video. Okay, next one is global gift routing optimization. Brute force, average, interviewers correct complexity, and the fraud detection, reward abuse. Next one is multi-tenant data isolation. And what gets you selected? If you say I will use dictionary, reject. I will sort average. I will use sliding window plus heap plus TTL cache plus distributed blocking, you are safe. Product company mindset. They test, can you reduce 0 of n login or 0 of n log k? Can you think in streaming systems? You handle 10 billion scale? Do you know distributed trade-offs and the HR manager? This is where इस एक लाइन पे 90% लोग रिजेक्ट होते हैं. टेक्निकल क्लियर करने के बाद Why HR asks, tell me about yourself. Most students think introduction देना है. Wrong. HR actually checks communication clarity, confidence, structure of thinking, self-awareness, role alignment. They are judging in first 60 seconds. What not to say? My name is this. I am from this. My father is like this. Average answer. I am Suyesh. I completed BTech in CS. I know Python and SQL. I didn't know. I did some projects. I am looking for an opportunity. This is safe but not impressive. Interview ready answer. Use this 4-step formula. Present role, identity, skill aligned to job, proof, project and impact, or by this company. Example, I am Suyesh, a software engineer focused on building scalable backend systems. Recently, I built a recognition platform prototype where I implemented a real-time leaderboard using heap optimization, reducing query time from 0 of log n to 0 of n log k. I enjoy solving performance-driven problems which aligns well with your SaaS-based engagement platform. Now HR think, struck confident, goal aligned, technical depth, selected zone. Why should we hire you? Same. You can go smart answer. You should hire me because I understand both system design and business impact. For example, when building scalable systems, I think about concurrency, fraud prevention, and cost optimization, not just writing code. That mindset aligns with product-focused companies. Now you sound like product engineer. Why do you want to join us? So the answer is, I am interested because your platform operates at global scale, handling multi-currency, vendor integration, and real-time engagement systems. I want to work in environments where engineering decisions directly impact the thousands of users. Now you sound prepared. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself as a strong back product engineer who can design scalable systems, independently and mentor junior developers. I want to grow into someone trusted with architecture decisions. Okay, tell me about a failure. So the correct answer is during a project I ignored edge cases in concurrency handling which closed inconsistent results. After feedback, I studied race conditions and implemented locking mechanism. Since then, I proactively designed for edge cases. So the managerial questions: how do you handle conflict? I focus on problem, not person. I clarify requirements, understand the other person's logic, and use data to resolve disagreement. Okay, how to mentally win HR round? Okay, final golden line is: if you speak, I need job. Reject, I want growth. Average, I want to build scalable system that the users globally selected. So we have covered all rounds. If you want the PDF, you can message me on the WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching this video.